Hare Krishna, welcome to my channel. So, this is a psychic information, not psychic, but it is something like that. But normal, this kind of videos I always do for my channel that have been monetized. But this is a special time that Lion Gate is opening up. So, we are doing about this Lion Gate that next to 3 days that we need to choose that heart desire, whatever your truest heart desire is, that is what you're going to manifest for next 3 years and 3 months. And definitely I'm going to do a pick a card reading on this particular topic on my Hindi and Telugu channel. But I definitely wanted to say there may be a lot of people asking why did I not did this video way back when in July. But because no matter what I say, but what your true heart desire is, that's what you're going to manifest for next 3 years and 3 months. Your true heart desire can be absolutely anything, and that absolutely anything cannot be changed because humans are like, when it comes to deep down heart desire, you cannot change that. It can be doubt, it can be love, it can be absolutely anything. So that's what you're going to manifest for next 3 years and 3 months. All right, that is what the Lion Gate is talking about. Well, I have to say this Vedic Dharma, our Hindus, we are Hindus, right? And Sanatan Dharma, Vedic Dharma, astrology, science are worldwide popular. Why Sanatan Dharma, Vedic Dharma, astrological, zodiac signs are worldwide popular? Well, everybody say, oh, American. We are doing some things like American. We talk English like American, and the accent comes out when you go to just America for just 2 days. The accent comes out like, oh, you are something. I don't know why people do that, but Sanatan Dharma, Vedic Dharma, astrological zodiac sign are worldwide accepted. Why? You just tell me. There are zodiac sign of America, Chinese, Australian, they are zodiac signs. But why Vedic Dharma zodiac signs are acceptable? Because when you see in the constellation out there in the sky, there you can see the Lion constellation, Sagittarius constellation sign, Pisces. You can see absolutely all the 12 zodiac sign in the sky. And this is like Sanatan Dharma, Vedic Dharma. Sanatan टाइम से चला आ रहा है एंड इसको आप बदल नहीं सकते. सो सनातन धर्म, वैदिक धर्म, our ancestors, they died in so much pain because of this Mughals and this English missionary. They came to India and they want to convert us, but we all knew about our Sanatan Dharma, Vedic Dharma. Our ancestors stick by that. We are Hindus, we're gonna stay Hindu. But this modern day and age, stupid people, we think that, oh, God don't exist. We talk like that, and we change our religion because of some stupid convenience. Our ancestor did not see convenience when it comes to God, and our Sanatan Dharma, Vedic Dharma, that was forever. Everybody proudly say that Sanatan Dharma, Vedic Dharma, the way of living. Yeah, because it is the truth, the ultimate truth, the whole world, whole universe you can see in it, our Dharma, that is Sanatan Dharma, Vedic Dharma. Please be proud to be Hindu. Say proudly that you are Hindu. You are Sanatan Dharma. Say proudly that you are Hindu. And if you talk about, oh, Gita, please read Gita. There are a lot of things in Gita that you don't even know. When I was talking about Gita and I was saying that I'm going to take care of all the karmics, when I said in English I'm going to take care of all the karmics, everybody really did understood. But when I was saying in Hindi, no one really understood what I was saying. Arjun really took care of all the karmics in his life, that no one was loving him. He took care of the karmics. When you talk about love life and all these things, you really see karmic. But when it comes to your life, you don't see karmic. So read Gita, understand Gita. You will understand a lot of things. Lord Krishna really did not say Gita Sar just like that because he wants to talk, because he wants to say that he is God. He is God. We all know that he is God. He really existed in this world. But read Gita to understand exactly what is karmic, what you are and what you should be, and why you should be Arjun in the end. to take care of all the karmics in your life. And Sanatan Dharma, Vedic Dharma, it's always there, and it will always going to be there. And Lion Gate is opening up. One more thing, you need to choose whatever you want to choose. In the end, it will be chosen because it's your heart desire what you're going to choose. This Lion Gate is opening up from July to August. I hope so you chose something that benefits your life. And I'm going to meet you in the next one. And this kind of psychic information I'm going to add on my channel. So till then, be happy, and I'm going to meet you in the next one. Ramji aapka bhala kare.